Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special video for you guys. It's a day in the salon. Now that I have an assistant with me every Friday, we're gonna do our best to give you a video every Friday of behind the scenes of an entire day. This was our first day together with her working. So what I did was I ended up only doing 3 clients. I started double booking Fridays and I was amazed by how quickly it double booked for the next few weeks. So we're good to go. But I'm going to try to get as much footage as I can on Fridays with you guys and still have, dedicated videos of some clients. But this is client number 1, and it is my girl, Christine. She's from Pennsylvania. She comes to see me every several weeks, and we are taking her lighter. She had a lot of old permanent color in there. Her hair was a mess the first session. This is our second go around. We're doing a half baby light, and we're packing the foils in tightly as you see, and we're leaving no subsections. We're actually weaving and teasing every single drop out. For my traditional baby lights, I use my Ride or Die Oxycur with 20 volume and a 16th ounce of Olaplex. And for the tease dropouts, I bumped it up to 30 volume, of course, with a 16th ounce of Olaplex. I always like to bump up on my dropouts unless they're really, really light. Then I'll just do like 10 volume. Alright, so now we're moving on to her face frame on the left side of the head. I'm doing 3 really baby slices, followed by 2 or 3 back-to-back tightly packed small baby lights. That will give it a nice blend back into my regular size baby lights. When focusing on the hairline, you guys, you've seen me do it many times. There's different ways I tackle it. Even if somebody doesn't want to have a bright money piece, but they still want to pop, you can give them that by doing regular baby lights. You don't have to always do slicing and stuff like that. You can actually do like 4 really tight baby lights, minimal hair left out in between, back to back, and that will give an amazing money piece. Me, I like to do the slices on some clients and then follow it up with really close baby lights, eventually making my way back into my normal size subsections. But sometimes I will just do all baby lights. But I will say this, if I'm doing a regular highlight or teasy light, I will never, ever do regular highlights around the hairline. It will be too chunky and disgusting. You always want to make sure you're doing at least baby lights in the hairline area. So I'm going to let her process for about an hour. Now I'm going to move on to client number 2, which has been a Ride or Die client. I love her to death. This is Alyssa. She's been coming to me for 2 years. Her hair is a little resistant, even though she's a natural level 6-7. So I'm going in with Oxycur and 20 volume, of course, with a 16th ounce of Olaplex. And we're just going to go in and do a half baby light on her and pack these foils in back to back. And you'll see coming up in a second in the clip that when I do her hair, because she's a level 10, especially around the hairline, I do my trick of adding Olaplex number 2 on the ends to make sure that they're protected and nothing can overlap onto them. So right here, I'll do my slice, drag it down a little bit, then I'll take Olaplex 2 quickly and put it on the ends and fold it up. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide because I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel again, we're bringing this back to life. Looking at my schedule, I do stand corrected. This is Kathy's 4th Friday with me. So we're going to go in and tackle my client number 1 with her root shadow. I'm allowing her to do the one side as I do the other. The best way for assistants to learn is to get hands on. I don't let them just sit and clean like Cinderella. I like to get them in there and get to working. So we're doing a root shadow on Christine, and we're using Redken Shades EQ 5N, 5NA, and then I'm going to tone her all over after that. And I always take my Samvia comb and blend. While we're finishing up her root shadow, Alyssa is processing for about 45 minutes. And I put Olaplex number 2 all over her dropout so she gets a treatment while she's sitting. Moving on to toning for Alyssa. We're mixing up colorants for both formulas. I'm doing a no yellow vegan edition shampoo on her by Finola. I like to pre-tone and mix Olaplex in with this so it's not too strong. And then after that, I'll put Olaplex number 2 all over her mids and ends, sit her up, apply her root shadow. We use 7N7NA Goldwell Colorance, which is my go-to favorite formula ever for a root shadow. I love 7s and 10s and colorants. And then for her all-over toner, we did 10V, 10P colorants as well. So now I'm giving Christine her finished little trim, and we're going to get her out the door. And then Alyssa's going to sit and process as Kathy applies the toner all over.
Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.
Alyssa's hair came out gorgeous, you guys. Look how beautiful level 10 blonde she is. And it's the perfect bright white. Keep in mind, in my salon, the walls are a little off-white, so they come off a little warm on the hair, as well as fluorescent lighting. The true lighting is always outside, or I'll use a ring light if it's nighttime. So we're going to go take after photos of her and move on to the third and final client. Doesn't seem like a lot, but we were working our way into each other, working together with an assistant and all that good stuff. And we just at the last minute announced that we'll be double booking on Fridays, literally a week or two before this. So 3 doesn't seem like a lot, but 2 halves and a full is a lot of work. As each week has gone on, when Kathy works with me on Fridays, we have been getting more and more clients throughout the day. So let me know if you guys like these videos where I show you behind the scenes of an entire day. It's hard to do when I'm by myself. I can only do 2 clients, 3 tops, depending on what services we're doing. With her, we've been doing at least, 4 to 7. So we're just going to get more and more from there. I will be announcing a new schedule as well because she will be working more than 1 day with me and in the future taking her own clients. Definitely go check Kathy out. I'm going to link her Instagram down in the box below in the description box. Go give her a follow and follow along with her journey. So we're moving on and we're going to be doing a full tightly packed baby light for Stephanie. You guys remember Stephanie. I'll link the video on the card of her mess she had happen when she went to somebody else when she cheated on me and her hair melted off. I have videos of fixing that and then a partial after that. And now we're working on a full for the first time after that. And we're going in and knocking through all her root area and some brass that transpired over time. And we went in and did a tightly packed full baby light. Took me about 2 hours to foil because she had so much hair. And now we're at the bowl. We let her process for about 60 minutes. Pulled the foils, gave her a good shampooing, and then we ended up toning her with 3N4NA Redken Shades EQ. That's what me and Kathy are doing right now, is applying that root shadow all over, 1 to 2 inches down, higher around the face. We kick the money pieces out until the last few minutes. Now I'm combing through it, and then we'll lay her back and we'll tone her. Once her root shadow sat for about 15 minutes, we laid her back, rinsed out the Olaplex 2 treatment on the ends, and now I'm using 6 toners to tone her. 8WG, 9N, 9V, 9NW, 9P, 9M, 9NB. This seems like a lot, and I got a comment a couple of days ago on one of my videos asking why I tone with so many different colors. And the reason is nobody will have that exact color. It makes your client feel special. You're giving them a unique color to them. And it's something that also is not easy to go to somebody else and get because it's not like it's a 9N and it's an easy formula. Also, besides that, it actually lets your product last longer because you're not using one full color or one full tube. You actually are mixing multiple, so a little drop of each, and it ends up going a lot further. But like I said, most importantly, you can see different tones throughout the hair. Like, look how beautiful this is. It's very unique to her, and she'll not be able to get this from somebody else. All right, guys, these are the final results of Stephanie's hair. Beautiful, healthy, and you know, we never thought we'd be here after all of the mess that happened a couple of months ago when her hair melted off. But we're here. So now I'm going to put the oil all over her mids and ends. And I'm going to take the cape off and get her out the door after we ring her up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you want to see every Friday and behind the scenes with me and Kathy and how crazy it can get. We're ready to do it. We're ready to provide it for you guys. I already have 2 more to edit to get out there to you guys. And yeah, I love you all so very much. Let me know down in the comments below other video ideas you want to see. And be sure to subscribe to my personal YouTube channel. I am Brett Ryan. A lot of content's coming, and it's coming fast. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. As always, so long for now.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide because